Today I'm going to unbox the new SanDisk Professional Pro. I just got this from Best Buy. This thing's a beast and I'm super excited about it. As a photographer and content creator, I needed something a little bit faster, more storage, essentially for editing and videos and running Photoshop, Lightroom, that kind of stuff. I also use VM for all my video stuff, so that's something I'm going to use this for as well. So, alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Right away, you can already see this box is kind of small, so you know it's going to be compact, similar to my other SanDisk right over here. Now this was just a 1 terabyte, so it's something a little bit better. Super compact, rugged. It's a definitely durable aluminum design. I like that it's water and all that stuff resistant, but just imagine anything happening. But really, I just wanted something I could mount onto my MacBook. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and put this right on the lid today, and it's just gonna live there permanently. So this is perfect profile for that. Be a longer cable than the previous, and we do have a Thunderbolt cable here, and we do have a Max, so we are going to use that. Take advantage of that Thunderbolt. One of the main reasons why I chose this model is the speed. It has the Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C, reaching speeds of up to 2800, so that should honestly be really fast for videos and stuff. I shouldn't worry too much. Tad longer. Yeah, it is. It's a tad longer. Makes it, yeah. So I can easily go ahead and mount this on the MacBook. So really one of the main reasons why I try to avoid going with a 2 terabyte version of this is because I wanted the longer cable, but I needed something faster, especially for video files. So this Pro is going to give me the extra room and focus on my work without really worrying about storage. Like, filling up with storage on this one. I'm doing so many things, so many real estate, and then doing videos and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm definitely super excited to get this, and this is going to be where all my stuff gets hold. So this will kind of maybe be my backup, or something I just keep at home, offload some photos and stuff like that. So there you guys see it. This is my setup here. I'm going to go ahead and mount this on the MacBook real quick. Get an idea of what kind of do here, which I think a lot of travel photographers do, so that's where I got my idea of it from. This is super convenient, and honestly this has a 500 gigabyte built in, but 500 gigs is not enough anymore, especially in this time. So really what I want to do here is go ahead and mount this. So I went ahead and grabbed some Velcro, some kind of like just double-sided thing. Get it stuck on there too. Actually, unfortunately, I have to get mounted to this side because it's the long side. So I'd have to kind of basically sit upside down. But you know what? Honestly, anything makes it worth it to just have that storage. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna test some speeds out and try to transfer some stuff over. how well this works, and we'll update you guys. But yeah, I'm super excited. Ready to retire this old guy, but really excited to try this out. So go ahead, if you guys have this one, let me know what you think. Drop in the comments, like, subscribe, do all those fancy things.